Hey guys, I'm Tyler, the founder of Elevated Life and Fitness Coaching, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use our bands for our weights and bands class, right? So we got this here, this crazy mess of things here, so I'm going to teach you guys how to make sense of all this, how to use the anchor in the door there, that way you're prepared for class. So let's begin. Step 1, grab the anchor provided in your bands kit. It should be a piece of plastic with a fabric loop running through it. Step 2, open a door and place your anchor outside the door. Go ahead, close the door on the strap and give it a pull on the strap just to make sure it's secure. Once it's secure, if you have a deadbolt, you could go ahead and close that for added security. But don't worry, it'll work fine without one. Step 3, choose whichever band you're going to use and run it through the loop on the anchor that's sticking outside of the door. Step 4, grab whichever attachment you're going to use and attach it to the carabiners on the ends of the bands. Now you are ready to begin your exercise. Go ahead and perform whichever exercise you are instructed to do. Another thing I recommend you do is keep all the bands attached to the anchors at all times. That way, whenever you need to switch the weights, you don't have to remove the bands. You can just simply detach the handles and switch them onto the other bands. This will make your life a lot easier and save time during the class. During the classes, you will be instructed to move the anchor to either high or low position. To do this, simply open the door, pick your position, and close the anchor into the door in whichever position you choose. From this point, you'll be able to select your bands, attach the handles, and do whichever exercise you need to do. Congratulations, you officially finished your tutorial on how to use your anchor and bands in a weights and bands class here. So I recommend maybe going through the video 1 or 2 more times and just checking things out, get a feel for everything, try it, test it. That way when it comes time to class, you are prepared, all right? So as you do the classes, you'll find out kind of which weights to start with. So start with lighter bands, maybe yellow, blue, green if you're not familiar with how things feel. Test it out and see which ones feel good. Then in the following classes, you'll be more prepared in terms of what weight to use, okay? So take it as a learning experience, and what you'll notice as the more classes you do, you get a better feel for what to do, right? And then typically we do sets of about 15 reps, so choosing a weight that you can do for about 15 repetitions. And then from that point, if you're getting the 15 reps, I encourage you guys to challenge yourself and increase the weight in future classes. So kind of maybe keep a notebook, keep track of your numbers there, and always work on improving just a little bit each time. Maybe 1 or 2 more reps, or maybe, increase the weight 10 pounds or something like that is always a good idea. So yeah, other than that, we look forward to seeing our classes. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out to me. Thanks, and I can't wait to see you.